Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to MKB Captain. So the upcoming Galaxy Note 21 Ultra is on the way. The unofficial render is here. Several rumors suggest that the Samsung might not launch a Galaxy Note smartphone this year due to the existence of the S21 Ultra. However, the company has confirmed that the Galaxy Note series will have newer phones in the coming days, and the brand is likely to name the Galaxy Note 21 Ultra or the Note 22 Ultra depending on the launch date. Ben Giskin, a popular concept designer, has imagined that how the Galaxy Note 21 Ultra might look and shared a render. In the render of the Note 21 Ultra does look like the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, especially with that secondary display at the back side. However, the device does have a similar camera module as the S21 Ultra. According to Ben Giskin, the Note 21 Ultra will be the first Samsung smartphone to feature the under-display selfie camera. However, it won't to be the first commercial smartphone to do, as a phone like the ZTE X120 5G already exists in the market. Keeping aside that the hidden selfie camera on the Note 21 Ultra does look a lot the Galaxy S20 Ultra with a curved display and slightly offer feature like QHD plus resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. On the rear end, the device has quad camera setup with the dedicated telephoto periscope and the ultra wide angle lens, along with the high resolution primary sensor, which is likely the 108 megapixel sensor. We can also expect to see a feature like 8K video recording up to 100x zooming capability and a bit digital hybrid zoom. On the hardware side, the Galaxy Note 21 Ultra is likely to powered by the top tier Qualcomm Exynos processor. The Exynos variant is expected to feature high-end mobile graphics con engineering with the AMD and is expected to offer the best possible graphic performance on the smartphone. Now, what is the price and expected? The Samsung Galaxy Note 21 Ultra might launch at the end of this year and is expected to cost $1,000+. Is likely to be available on multiple storage model and color option. As this is the Note series device, it's also likely to pack a next generation S Pen with a new feature and capability. So this is the latest report about the upcoming Samsung Note 21 series. Let me know in the comment section, are you waiting for this series? And also like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.